Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2013 Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior with an almond leather interior. Wood grain accents, sunroof, blind spot assist. Formatic Mercedes-Benz and CLS 550 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, look up front. Memory seats, driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage in this vehicle is 32,391, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz navigation, radio, backup camera, shifter, climate control, and center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.